depression Montane County in north-central Texas. Cook County in north-central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Leon, or 11 miles east of Tacoma. 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Munster, St. Joe, Lindsay, Callisburg, and Lake Kiowa. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 493 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas.